Today we're checking out this red light therapy vest for your back and shoulders, and this is the Vest Pro by 𝚕𝚎𝚗. I thought this was a T, but it's actually a Y. Anyway, 𝚕𝚎𝚗, this is the company that sent this to me so that I could check it out and tell you my impressions on it. Now, I already took it out of the box, but not out of the package, so it's right here. I'm still have to take this out of this plastic wrap, but in the box you get this little card right here. And this is basically a calendar that you can use to track your progress, so that's pretty cool. You might want to make copies of it if you have a copier, but it's a really nice touch. Anyway, you also of course get your manual and your contact info and whatnot. So things that you might want to look at this or take into consideration is the fact that this one has 157 LEDs. And according to the specifications, you do get a few details here, but the ones that I think are more relevant, aside from the LED count, is the fact that this has a wavelength of 660 nanometers and 850 nanometers, and the irradiance is 75 milliwatts per square centimeter. And in layman's terms, according to AI, this means that this is basically 75% of the sun's intensity. So that's pretty good. According to AI, again, this is a very good amount of irradiance to have on your therapy. Okay, so putting the box away, let's take a look at this. And I gotta say, the package feels very nice. It is definitely not a cheap feeling device, and this is what it looks like when you extend it. Now you do get a charging cable. This is USB-A to USB-C. You do not get a charger, and this is just a foam roller to kind of keep it in that position. So yeah, this is the vest itself, and as you can see, it does have your controls right here, and this will be the right side of the vest once you put it on. And it gives you some instructions. It says that you press and hold the power button to turn on the device, or to turn it on or off, and you press the lock button to lock or unlock the device. Okay, so let's see if it has some power, and it does. It gives you the battery level, so I'm just going to remove this. So you can see you got the controllers right here, and this is, can I press it? Oh, it's locked. Okay, so I guess this is light, or level, actually level 1, level 2, level 3, 4, 5, and you got 5 levels. Okay, so 1 being the lowest, of course. You can set how long you want it. So you got 3 options, so 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and 40 minutes. And this is if you want it to be pulsing faster, and pulsing really fast, and steady. So pretty much 4 levels, with the 1, 2, and 3 being the how fast it's going to flicker. So level 1 is not going to flicker that fast as compared to level 2 and level 3. Okay, so nothing else, or the default one is steady. Again, if you press the lock button, then nothing is going to work. These are touch sensitive controllers, and single pressing the power button does nothing. You have to hold to turn it off. Right, so this is where you charge it from the bottom, and I believe this unit has the battery itself, because I don't see it anywhere else. Now the whole vest weighs just over 2 pounds, and you got this little sticker right here. And this is a cloth type of feeling, kind of rubbery. It feels very similar to a mouse pad, very similar, but the inside is kind of a plastic. This is a cover plastic, so it should protect the LEDs from sweat, and if your skin is wet, either from sweat or from water because you got out of the shower or something like that, then it's going to protect the LEDs from. So you got a Velcro strap to adjust it. This part is Velcro as well, and then this other Velcro. So basically you put it on like this over your shoulders. The greater part of your back is protected, as you can see. Well, not protected, I mean, it has an effective area on a very large part of your back. So your arms will be basically this side. So kind of all the upper back, and of course your shoulders, and just above your chest level right here, as you can see. So it is very, very adjustable, not only from the front but also from the sides. So it should be fitting for a lot of people, really most people. So yeah. All right, so this is what the vest looks like when wearing. So as you can see, it is a very good fit. Now this is a one size fits all basically. So because of the way it disassembles, well, not disassembles, it unwraps, or well, anyway, you do have a lot of adjustment options. So you do have the straps right here, which are Velcro. So when you put this away or you take them off, as you can see, this is left all open, which means that if you are a big person, you can actually have them all the way to the side, and you will have a lot of space right here. So I'm not a big guy by any means, but I am able to put the adjustment straps almost all the way to the center. Right, now the center part still has about, I think, 2 inches more that I could separate it. So yeah, but again, it is from the sides that you actually do have a lot more space, right? So I have been wearing this for quite a while now. I did record a first version of this video, but it turns out that the camera was having a lot of trouble with the autofocus. So I'm doing it again, which means that I'm on my second session of this vest. And what I'm trying to get to is that it is very comfortable. So I have been using it for a while now. The first session was 20 minutes, and this one was also 20 minutes. And the little LED here shows how much time is remaining. So basically 5 minutes is left. And then, you know, each minute is going to be counting down. So it does tell me the battery level, and it does indicate me that right now I cannot touch anything because the lock is enabled. Right, so again, very comfortable. The light itself does not generate any heat, and the only heat that you will perceive from the vest is from, you know, the plastic being straight in your skin. I am right now in a tropical climate, but in a small room with air conditioning, so it is still very comfortable. I do not feel like I'm sweating a lot, maybe just a tiny bit, but again, this is because of the plastic being on my bare skin. So other than that, very, very comfortable, and you know, I can move it around, I can move my arms up and down. I can basically be doing anything that I need to do while wearing this vest. If you want to be sitting down, then of course that's also an option. But meaning that if you are conscious about your time and you need to do a lot of things while also taking advantage of the red light therapy of this vest, then you can very freely do anything that you need to do. Okay, with your arms and your body, you know, moving around and whatnot. And yeah, so only time will tell how well or how effective the red light therapy is. Maybe I will make a long-term review in the future. But for now, I'm telling you what my first impressions are. Now, this is, of course, a rechargeable vest. I really like the fact that I don't have to have any cables with me while I'm using it, so that's good. By the way, I don't think I'm going to make the video long enough for you to hear it because there are 3 minutes left still. But when the timer goes out, there is an audible beep to let you know that it is done. Okay, so yeah. So I guess this is it for now. And I think I did mention that the material is kind of like a mouse pad. Very comfortable. Overall, very, very comfortable vest. So I hope that this video was helpful. Hope to see you in the next one. And until then, may God bless you all.